Dear viewers, welcome back again on my channel. I am Advocate Millie Ghoshal, and as always, I am back again with some more informative topic. Today, before I begin, let me wish all my viewers a very happy Independence Day. What I'm going to talk about today is one of the most important topics relating to our freedom and the constitution of the country. I'm going to talk about right to health, because taking into consideration the pandemic situation that is prevailing in our country, not only in our country, globally, right of health today is one of the most important right that we all need to understand what is our right of health and how to utilize it. Now, right to health is not stated anywhere in our constitution, particularly or specifically. This right has to be derived from various other articles which are being provided in the constitution. For example, it may be Article 39, Article 41, Article 47, Article 14, or Article 21, and many other related articles. So all these articles, when we read and when we will understand that right to health is a derived right from all these various rights. In fact, the Honorable Supreme Court, while passing various judgments under Article 21 of the Constitution, has really widened the scope so much that every other right which is necessary and essential for an individual to live a proper life and a healthy life is being included in it. Similarly, in one of the landmark judgments of Challa Reddy, the Honorable Supreme Court had said that it is one of the duty on the states to make sure that the individuals or the citizens of the state are equally protected and they receive the right to health, that is medical facilities and other such rights. In one more judgment, the Honorable Supreme Court had stated that this right is very much important. In that judgment, which is basically Pandit Kataria versus Union of India, in that the person had died because of a scooter accident, and he died because he did not receive the medical treatment on time. Because of this situation, that person passed away, and it was a very sorry state because he died not receiving the medical treatment which he should have received, and if he would have received the medical treatment, then maybe his life would have been saved. So taking into consideration this entire episode, the Honorable Supreme Court had stated that it is the right of every person to receive medical treatment at proper time. So when we talk about this right of health, it does not just restrict to one particular situation wherein we need or we deserve the particular right of medical facilities, but it also talks about the right of dignity of burial or right of dignity of a dead person. During this COVID situation, one episode which happened was one of the doctors in South India who passed away because of the COVID situation where he was treating his patients. And this doctor was denied burial on account of the COVID situation which was prevailing. In this situation, the Honorable Madras High Court had taken a suo motu action, and over there they stated that a person who was practicing this kind of a noble profession and he was denied his last rights of dignity was a very sorry state, and this kind of episode should not be repeated in future. Not only this, we also talk about our freedoms that we want to enjoy in our daily lives. But one important aspect which comes into our existence is just talking about the freedom of yours and mine sufficient? Because many antisocial elements are present in the society who are acting for their own sake, trying to misuse the freedom which is given to them, which is completely acting against us. We are all aware of one of the incidences that happened in Alipur, where three people were caught for selling fire extinguisher cylinders by naming it as oxygen cylinders to the patients. The poor patients who did not even understand that whether they are buying fire extinguisher cylinders or oxygen cylinders, they bought those cylinders. It was a very unfortunate situation because few people, for giving benefit to their own self-interest, made use of their powers and sold these kind of oxygen cylinders under the garb of oxygen cylinders, the fire extinguishing cylinders, to people. Not only this, one more important incident that took place was the doctors in Chennai who were basically caught because they had stocked the vials of injection which were to be given to the patients, and they were trying to black market these injections. Now, again, over here, if we see, it was once again a very sorry state, because the doctors whom we really trust to take care of our health, to protect our health, they were the ones to involve in these kind of antisocial activities. They are being given the freedom, but does freedom mean misusing freedom like this for giving advantage to your own self interests at the stake of others' life? No, definitely not. Freedom is something that you and me, we all have to enjoy, irrespective of the caste, color, creed, sex, standard in the society. Every person who is a citizen of the largest democratic country of us deserves to enjoy this freedom, irrespective of whatever situation they come from, whatever background they come from. So, on this Independence Day, let us try and vow to ourselves that the rights which have been given to us by the Constitution of our country would be used by us in the capacity that we help others also to enjoy this right. And let us promise to ourselves that we will not misuse any of our rights or do any kind of antisocial activities which is going to be for our self benefit but which is going to cause damage to others. Any activity or any freedom which causes damage to the other person is not something that we would want to term it as freedom. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. In case if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel for such kind of videos, and do let me know in the comment section what according to you is freedom. Thank you so much for watching once again. I will be back on my next video with some more informative topic like this. Thank you.